Okay, can you tell me what kind of ringtone you have on your mobile phone?
It's one of my favorite songs. It's a French song.
French song?
Yeah.
Could you play it for me?
Yeah, okay. It might take some time.
Oh, no problem at all. Okay. Can you tell me where you got that song from?
It's from a CD, from a compilation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Sunny Side Up.
Okay, and you just copied it from the CD to your mobile phone, or how you?
No, I got the song on my computer, and there's an MP3 player on my mobile phone,
Okay.
and I also can use the songs as ringtones.
Okay, and that's the reason you did that, and you liked the song?
Mm-hmm.
Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Thank you very much.